Assalamualikum OyaRahmatullahe OyaBarakatuhu. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA Classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial.
This is our second part of capital investment appraisal. In previous classes we have discussed theories of capital investment appraisal. Today we will try to show several examples which have the solutions. Okay, first examples here is about 20 examples with the solutions, so it is your own duty to try to solve at home about this capital investment appraisal. Here has solutions. What has the solutions? If you don't understand these solutions, please call me in the next class. Maybe next class will be our last class, but today we will formally close. In the next class we will try to talk about all about our final exam. So there has 21 examples. You will try to go through it at your home, but today I am only talking about first 1, 2 or 3. So here has Andrew invested 15,000 in a high yield account. At the end of 30 years he closed the account and received $5,39,250. Compute the effective interest rate he received one account. So this is a very easy. So here has said you have to calculate interest rate. So we know the formula for present value and future value. If we put down it as a future value, this is the present value and n equal to 30. So while we have information, future value, present value and n, we have to find out I. What will be I? So if we put down this problem in this way, then any formula, present value or future value, if you write down any one of this formula, then you will get the value of I. By the solutions says that 12.68%. So very easy. We use only our future value examples, future value formula, we know it. Later on, example 2. Here you have to find out IRR. So you will know that interpolations formula, IRR equal to A plus B minus C. A is at A into B, whatever you know it better. Interpolations formula see in my previous lectures, previous sheet. So you can use IRR to NPV. One is positive and another is negative. Then you use interpolations formula, then can get IRR. Here examples 2, you have to find out IRR. So 12%, 15% negative, then you try IRR interpolations, it says 14.7%. After that, examples 3. Does the following project have a positive or a negative rate of return? Show how this is known to be true. Cost 2,500, net benefit 300 in 1 year and increasing 200 per year. Useful life 4 years. Salvage value 50%. Is it normal sense? You have to think it normally. Is it taken or not? So you see the benefit. First year 300 increase by 200 per year, 500, 700, 900, and salvage value 50. If you sum of this amount, you get 2450 taka at the end of 4 year, but your investment is 2500, so obviously negative. So obviously negative rate of return, obviously negative rate of return. If you calculate in the normal sense, the return one investment is negative. Examples 4. At what interest rate would 1000 at the end of 2000 be equivalent to 2000 at the end of 2007? So that is the year 2000 to 2007, that means n equal to 7 year. So 1000 turn it in 2000, what will be rate of interest? So you have to find out interest, as like examples 1, you have to find out interest. So it is 10.41, a very simple way, a future value problem. It is the future value, this is the present value, n equal to 7. So if we use the present value or future value example, so then you have the answer 10.41%. Number 5. A painting purchased 1 month ago for $1000 has just been sold for 1700. What nominal annual rate of return did the owner receive on her investment? That is too much easy. It has said 1 month ago he purchased 1000 taka. After that he sold 1700. What will be its nominal rate? So here is 1 month rate. That means 1 month he get 700 taka profit. So what will be in 12 month into 12? Here is the 7% interest, 7 into 12, that is 84%. It is return, annual return. Here is the annual return. So you can do this in this way. Otherwise this is the easiest ways. 700 divided by 1000, that is the 7% into 12, that should be 84%. Find the rate of return. Here also the find the rate of return. Here is the find the rate of return. 10,000 investment, that will pay 1000 each year for 20 years. So obviously it is the annuity problem. Find out the rate of return where you invest 10,000, that will pay 1000 each year for 20 years. So you can solve it by normal way. That means 20 years it should be your 20,000 future value, present value 10,000, and n equal to 20. So you can solve in this way. Otherwise you can use the tabular method, then you can get your return. So here another problem. Here you have to find out monthly investment. So you will go through 1 to 20 in the next 7 days. Then if you don't understand, then we will again discuss this matter. I am only discussing 5 or 7 problem, and rest of them you have to go through at home. Very much interesting problem you have in here. IRR and present value, future value, and find out the interest. All things are in this way. Here is the IRR, so you will see at home, and the sheet is uploaded to the Google Drive, Google Classroom. You can take it from there. Okay, thank you.
This all about today. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu.